I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate ice cream in a bag. Gather cream, milk, sugar, cocoa, vanilla, ice, and rock salt, then pour cream, milk, sugar, cocoa, and vanilla into a small resealable bag and seal it tightly. Place that bag inside a larger bag filled with ice and a generous sprinkle of rock salt, seal the outer bag, and prepare to shake vigorously for several minutes until the mixture firms up. Start by mixing 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup milk, 1/3 cup sugar, and 1/4 cup cocoa right in a leak-proof small bag. Seal it securely and put that bag inside a larger resealable bag packed with ice and rock salt to lower the freezing point. Hold both bags and shake energetically, using quick back and forth motions until the chocolate base becomes thick. Finish by rinsing the inner bag and transferring the ice cream to a bowl. Keep your cream and milk chilled to shorten shaking time and achieve a smoother result, and use good quality cocoa or melted chocolate for richer flavor. If you want a firmer texture, freeze the finished ice cream for a short time or press it between parchment before scooping. For fun variations, fold in chocolate chips, chopped nuts, or a splash of espresso after shaking. Serve immediately for soft serve or freeze briefly for firmer scoops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.